Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fundamentals. Open your audio app and set input so peaks stay below -6 dB. Then, switch to wired headphones or speakers to rule out Bluetooth dropouts. Once done, enable low latency mode if available and record a 10 to 20 second test clip. This gives you a quick sample to analyze. Make sure to note background noises and any clipping. These steps get you ready to clean audio without redoing setup later. Now you move into repair. Load the test clip into an editor and capture a noise profile, then apply noise reduction with 1 to 2 gentle passes. Aim for 6 to 12 dB reduction so you do not introduce artifacts. Next, apply a high-pass filter at 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and use de-esser for harsh sibilance. If clipping exists, use clip recovery or spectral repair, working in small increments so you preserve. Finish by normalizing your track to about -3 dB so peaks are controlled, and make sure you are not raising the noise floor when you increase gain. Then add gentle compression. Set a 2:1 ratio and aim for 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction to smooth levels while keeping dynamics. Export a lossless WAV or FLAC for your master, and create an MP3 at 192 to 320 kbps for distribution. If problems persist, check cables and capture another test. Hardware faults often masquerade as software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.